So the question says, find the equation of the circle which has a diameter line from A minus 4 comma 3 and B 2 comma 1. So now in order to find the equation, we must have two things. One is your radius and the other thing is your center coordinates. So now how will I find the center of the circle? So here is a circle and this is the line of the diameter of a circle. So this has to be, let's say this is your A and this is B. So center जो है वो circle का यहाँ पे आएगा O. Now how will I find this O, the center coordinate? So if you look carefully, ये जो point O है ये A और B के midpoint पर है. So this center O is actually the midpoint of AB. So O is midpoint of AB. So now we can find the midpoint coordinates using the formula, that is your x1 plus x2 upon 2 y1 plus y2 upon 2. So your coordinates are A is minus 4 comma 3 and B is 2 comma 1. So this is going to be your x1 and y1 and 2 will be your x2 and 1 is going to be your y2. So now let's use this formula. So minus 4 plus 2 divided by 2 and 3 plus 1 divided by 2, which will become minus 1 comma 2. So these are the coordinates of my center. Okay, so the center of the circle is this, that is minus 1, 2. Now in order to find the radius, so mind that the radius is actually the distance from the center to a point on the circle. So radius is any point that is a distance from any point on a circle to the center of the circle. So the center of the circle is this one. So these are the coordinates for the center of the circle. So we can take any point. I can either take A or I can either take B. So let's just take B. So I will take B. So now we can use the formula for the distance. So the formula for the distance is under root y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 square. This is the formula for the distance between any 2 points. So I can use this formula here, and again this will become my x1, this will become y1, this will become x2, and this will become y2. So let's use this formula here. So the formula, and what I need to find is OB. So OB is equal to under root 1 minus 2 square plus 2 minus 1 square. So this will become minus 1 whole square plus 3 square, and this will be under root 10 because 1 plus 9, so ये 1 हो जाएगा और ये 9 है, so 1 plus 9 will become 10. So under root 10 OB is under root 10, so under root 10 has to be your radius. So अब मैं इस सेंटर और इस रेडियस को यूज करके I can easily find the equation of the circle. So the formula for the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So minus 1 comma 2, these are the coordinates of h and k. So mind that h is going to be minus 1 and k is your 2. So this will be x minus 1 squared because h is minus 1 plus y minus k is 2. So this will be 2 square is equal to, radius is given as under root 10. ये radius अभी हमने निकाला है, so under root 10 square. So let's just cancel this out. So this will be cancelled out and this will become x plus 1 square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to just 10. So this is my answer and this is the equation of the circle that we needed to find.